All right, today we continue on with energy transformations by completing a Gizmos activity called energy conversions. Gizmos is located in the student portal in the digital textbook area. So this simulation has two choices, information mode or path mode. Let's take a look at both. In information mode, we click on a person or corn or wind turbines, and basically it says information at the bottom. The Gizmo activity, the Google Doc that you're going to do, asks you to go into several different modes. It first asks you for a path mode. So for example, it says click on the person, and it talks about the person, and then it says click on the chicken. And you can begin to see a path being created from a person to a chicken. Now something's got to give energy to the chicken and so on. Reset takes everything away. You can click on the sun. You can click on other pieces. But in path mode, you're creating a path of energy from start to finish. You're going to have gizmos with activity A and activity B, and you're going to record your information in a Google Doc. This is what the doc looks like. You simply follow along with the directions. You enter the answers into each of these boxes. So I hope that was helpful. This short tutorial, go have fun with it.